E-commerce trends for 2023, top 5. The only constant in business is the constant need for change. How COVID has changed the dynamic of the business is old news, but what is still quite new is how businesses handle online presence and marketing in this ever-changing business environment. Every year, there are some popular trends that create a buzz in the market. Some trends come and go, while some remain in the market for the long run. With the changing pace of the e-commerce market, it is essential to remain in the game. In this video, we will highlight some of the major e-commerce trends in business to keep pace with the changing market demand. Study these changes and try to implement them in the business to remain competitive in the business. At number 5, we start off with voice shopping. Undoubtedly, shopping through voice search is not a new buzz in the 2022 market. It is expected to increase in 2023 and beyond. Don't believe us? Well, statistics say the same. More than 1/4 of the online population use voice search on mobile service. It is expected that in 2023, it will reach 8.4 billion units. Instead of typing, people now prefer speaking their queries out loud. Keep your business ready to accept change open-heartedly. Coming to number 4, we find personalization. Personalization is nothing new for e-commerce, and if you frequently use Amazon, then you'll know exactly what we're referring to. However, with the ever-increasing advances in artificial intelligence and machine learning technologies, deep levels of personalization have started to penetrate the fast-growing e-commerce world. Whereas AI-based personalization for e-commerce takes the multiple channel approach, new AI engines such as Boomtrain sit on top of the multiple customer touchpoints to help the business analyze how customers are interacting online. Whether it is a mobile application, the website, or an email campaign, the AI engine is continuously monitoring all devices and channels to create a universal customer view. This unified customer view enables e-commerce retailers to deliver a seamless customer experience across all platforms. The next time a customer is browsing iPhone cases on your website, they may receive a push notification on their mobile informing them about your flash sale for iPhone cases. They directly make the purchase on their phone, saving a lot of steps for both parties. At number 3, we have video and augmented reality. Augmented reality is the real deal of the technology era. It allows customers to experience the product by sharing a physical environment on a user's screen where the virtual interacts with the real world. It gives the opportunity for brands to interact with consumers in 3 dimensions using mobile devices. 61% of consumers prefer brands with an AR experience. For example, Wayfair created a feature called View in a Room, where shoppers can see how furniture would look in their home. This pushes buyers to make impulsive purchase decisions. Closest to the top at number 2, we find the least technically advanced one, but no less important: after-sales experience. In the sea of e-commerce, what separates you from your competitors is an exceptional customer experience. Flawless customer experience is the next biggest expectation from customers will be the new trend in 2023 and the next few years. With so many options available to customers on e-commerce platforms, customers look for a brand that offers a smoother return process. At the top of the table in number 1, we have rise in AI usage of e-commerce. Artificial intelligence has become an integral part of the e-commerce business over the past many years. Retailers have very well understood that AI-powered e-commerce business. Google's recent £400 million purchase of startup DeepMind, the artificial intelligence company that specializes in algorithms and machine learning for positive impact, is just one of the many expected acquisitions as the potential of such technology becomes a reality. Other major tech firms such as Facebook, IBM, and Yahoo have already publicly expressed their focus on developing artificial intelligence as a new source of business. Although the term artificial may imply something negative or dehumanized, artificial intelligence allows businesses to provide a more personalized experience for their customers. AI makes it possible for e-commerce retailers to analyze millions of interactions every day and ultimately target offers down to a single customer, an experience every marketer dreams of providing. Sales teams are now empowered with information we've never seen before. They can personalize the sales cycle through AI-driven applications that are helping sellers to engage the right prospects with the right message at the right time. If you enjoyed this video, hit those like and follow buttons and get access to more business and finance top 5 videos.